Okay, so this is going to be your third option, research countries. You're going to choose 2 countries from the region that we're currently studying, so either from North or South America. And you're going to fill out this ESPN organizer. Here's my copy of it right here. And with that, we're going to use the internet to fill in information from the boxes. Okay, notice you're doing four things. So there's a geography channel called Geography Now that's pretty great. Also, the CIA World Factbook is awesome, has lots of great resources. And Utah's Online Library Culturegrams is also a great resource. And then here's the login for online and database. So if I go into Utah's Online Library, student login, it has mine, but I'm going to go ahead and put online. And then this one is database. Hopefully I typed that right. Sure, you can see it. Okay, Culturegrams, which is like the golden nugget for you guys that will have like all the answers. So click on that. And you want to do the World Edition, Explorer. And we're going to do South America. And then you can choose any country. I'm going to do Ecuador. Okay, and it tells you like really cool things. But then all this information over here. So I know one of the things was economics, monies, jobs, that type of thing. So I'm going to go, where's my thing? So economics, housing, economy, right there. Go here. Okay, and I can pick, any of these things to put into my ESPN right here. Okay, and then social, culture, religion, all that fun stuff. Political is government, and environmental. Okay, and so those are things that you can find in these different sections of Culturegrams. All right, then once you get done and you fill this out, there's one below for the second country. We'll go back into the Americas assignment, and then it's this is the one. You'll submit your assignment in here, and you'll need to find it in your Google Drive. Okay, great. Have a great day.